Parabolic lenses concentrate light into a narrow beam. This provides focused illumination with minimal glare. They are suitable for areas requiring high light levels. Examples are surgical suites, industrial workspaces, and warehouses. Prismatic lenses diffuse light, creating a more even distribution and reducing glare. They are ideal for spaces where uniform illumination is desired. Examples are offices, classrooms, and hallways. Considering the advantages of parabolic lenses, firstly, they have a high light output, concentrating light into a narrow beam, providing brighter illumination. Secondly, they offer a long throw distance, reaching objects or areas that are far away. Thirdly, they exhibit low glare, minimizing glare by focusing light in a specific direction. Considering the advantages of prismatic lenses, firstly, they provide even distribution, diffusing light to create a uniform illumination pattern. Secondly, they ensure reduced glare, eliminating harsh reflections and providing a more comfortable lighting environment. Thirdly, they give wide-angle illumination, providing illumination over a wide area. The estimated price of $125 per fixture for labor and materials seems reasonable for a 2-extra parabolic fixture. This includes the cost of the fixture, ballast, lamps, and labor for installation. The actual price may vary depending on factors such as the specific fixture model, quantity ordered, and local labor rates. It's always advisable to get quotes from multiple contractors to ensure the most competitive pricing. A maintained contract could be a lucrative opportunity, providing regular maintenance, repairs, and fixture replacements. By establishing a good working relationship with the facility, a contract may be secured that ensures ongoing revenue.